All right. So this next one is also about invoicing. This video will go over how to void invoices. So if you need to go in and void an invoice, prevent it from being able to go back out, if you need to make another one, that would be a reason to void an invoice. The way you can do that is by going to payments. We're in invoices and estimates. We'll go to all invoices. This is where you have the list of all of your invoices that are going out. What we will need to do is um, I'm sorry, wanted to click on the three dots next to the invoice in question. And we will click on the three dots here, and then we'll just click on void here. It'll bring up a pop-up box here that says, are you sure you want to void this invoice? This will mark the invoice as non-collectible and change the status to void. So yes, we want to do this. This also gives you the information of what that invoice number was. And so that way you can also verify by the invoice number that this is indeed the invoice that you want to void. So we're going to click on void here. All right. And then if you want to be able to locate this inside of your list here, you can just click on filters, go to invoice status here. There's a drop down right here. It should say all, but you want to look for the one that says void, and then we'll click apply, and then you'll be able to see anything that was sent out to that void status. All right, so that is how you can change a status to void for an invoice.